Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about another hot stock that I see a lot of potential in, and I also see this stock in the next year or two to easily quadruple. So stick around because I think you will find this video of value as well. So welcome back. The stock I want to talk about is called Blnk. It's also an electric vehicle charging station company, just like ChargePoint. I'm highly bullish on Blnk as well. I would say that Blnk does not have as much of a market as ChargePoint, but the potential Blnk has could easily surpass even ChargePoint, and that's why I will have to go through Blnk in slight detail in order to reveal that factor to you. So Blnk at the moment is trading at 28.75. Last trading day, that was yesterday. We know that here in Europe right now it's a holiday, but it was down 7.5%. Overall, in the last 6 months, this stock had a market roller coaster. It went at one point up to 64. If you look at its 1-year chart, it was starting from 1.55 and it reached to 64.50. And right now, of course, with the overall market correction, this for sure also had an impact on Blnk charging company as well. It's trading at 28.75. I personally think in the next 12 to 24 months, that stock could be a stock of worth $200. Now, there are some interesting factors, but first I'm going to talk about the tip rank, the top analysts from Wall Street point of view on Blnk. They see it as a stock of $45 with a 56.52% upside potential, rating it as a very strong buy. And this is very, very interesting because I personally think when I was going to the info for Blnk, some analysts were also indicating this stock could be sitting at around 80 or even 100 by end of this year. Of course, now we have massive overall market correction as well as the EV correction, but I'm going to go through this article in which you will then know why I personally think that this stock could be worth 80 to 100 by even end of this year. So if you look at this article, they're saying that Blnk, an electric vehicle charging company, will play a vital role in the lithium market for years to come. Lithium obviously is the main element in the batteries of those EV cars. Now why? Because its charging infrastructure will fuel even greater demand for the increasingly popular metal, and it's been a great stock for investors as well. It seems its share price soared significantly over the past year and is showing no signs of slowing. I personally think this flurry that it will get, the momentum the overall market will get, it will for sure give the massive boost to this stock as well. A flurry of new ideas, including a collaboration with Innersize, have created some support for the relative newcomers. They recently made a deal with Innersize. If we look at the note that the CEO of the Blnk that he was speaking about, that this is an exciting collaboration with Innersize because it combines the industry leading technologies of our two companies to provide user-friendly, high-powered, next-generation charging alternatives. Further, in this article, they are saying about the deal that they made with Envoy, and here the CEO of Envoy is speaking. We are excited to work with Blnk on the deployment of their fast level 2 charging station as part of our exclusive electric car sharing services. So it indicates the dynamic potential the company has. They're making deals all around the world. They're obviously the second leading companies in the States after ChargePoint. We already know that Biden is speaking about establishing 500,000 charging station in the States by end of 2025. The $2 trillion proposal will cover 174 billion of the EV sector. Mainly that money will be spent on establishing those charging stations as well as electrifying those school buses, and so to say a lot of those EV sector is in general will be benefited, but this for sure all over the world. and in particular in the states, needs a lot of attention because we already know that in states at this point 2% of the cars are only EV cars. In general, if you think and compare United States to China, at this point, state is lagging way behind where China is, and that's why Biden is pushing those buttons of the EV sector, like talking about by next decade having 20% of all the cars being electrified, or let's say EV cars, and establishing those charging stations. And for sure, this will all be through the companies like Blnk as well as ChargePoint. So that was my brief overview about Blnk. I personally think this company for sure in the next 24 to 36 months will be worth $200. But do your own research and put it in the comment if you have any other suggestion or any other stocks that you want me to consider in the next videos. And do me as well as you a favor, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be making a lot of videos about those growth stocks in the near future. And I will see you in the next video.